Hey guys, it's Lisa here from the JayLi Life and welcome back to my channel. So for this week's What's for Dinner video, today is Monday and tonight we're going to be having some breakfast for dinner. So here I have some sausage and I'm only going to use half of it. I have my pan back here warming up and I'm just going to add just a little bit of oil. And then I also have another pan back here warming up. And then what I'm just going to warm up back here is I'm just going to get rid of the rest of the bacon that I have. It's just a little bit, so I'm just going to get rid of it before I open up a new package. So I'm going to go ahead and start frying up some of this bacon. Go ahead and add my sausage. Alright, so I've already fried my bacon. My sausage is nice and browned, which I'm just going to go ahead and put it to the side real quick because I'm going to work on my waffles. Now I use the same waffle pancake mix every single time. So I have it in a container like this. And I also have the instructions here for the pancake mix. But if I want the waffle mix, I've been forgetting to add it to the back. But I still have the little cardboard paper to it. So we are going to make some waffles. So back here I'm just going to go ahead. I'm waiting for my griddle to heat up. I'm going to go ahead and drain out some of the oil. Alright, so my griddle is hot. So I'm going to go ahead and grab some butter nonstick spray. Let's go ahead and start making my waffles. Just like that. And then I'm going to grab the rest of my sausage. Then I'm going to go ahead and add my eggs to it. Alright, so my sausage and egg scramble is already ready. My waffles are coming out nice and pretty. And so let me show you how everything looks. Alright guys, so here it is. Here's our dinner. Here's our sausage and egg scramble. Here's some bacon. And then back here is the waffles with some strawberries, some syrup, and some powdered sugar. And this is what we're having for dinner tonight, guys. So for dinner tonight, we're gonna have some really super easy chicken breast fajita tacos. I've actually made a video on this already before, but I'm gonna go ahead and show it to you like this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and cut off all the fat. So I have a little napkin here off to the side that I'm gonna put them on. So I'm gonna go ahead and trim them all up. Now, when I buy, this is just a tip. So I've learned through the years that when you're going to cook something that requires chicken tenders, I hugely recommend you buy chicken breast in bulk. Because you can easily cut them into tenders yourself. If you're going to buy the package that's already cut up into tenders, trust me, you're paying an arm and a leg for something that you can easily cut up yourself. I know it's easy and convenient, but it's also so very easy to do it this way as well. Alright, so real quick, you see the line? I don't know if you can see it, but you see how it has a line right here? You'll see them in all the chicken breasts. You see it right there? This is your tender. So you're just going to cut along the tender like this. That way, and then you're just going to keep cutting the same way, in the same direction. So you want to make sure they're pretty much even. You don't want them too thick because then they won't all cook evenly. So on this part, when it comes to seasoning, it's all up to you. But my go-to seasoning is this one. It is the chupacabra rub. I use it on everything. So I'm just going to go ahead and just heavily coat it, season it. Just grab some olive oil. Alright, so that's pretty seasoned. So let's go ahead and put that to the side. Let's go ahead and add some veggies to this. I have half of a bell pepper I can get rid of. So now you want to grab a sheet pan like this, a foil lined sheet pan. Just make sure they're all laying out flat, not overlapping, so they can evenly cook. So you're going to go ahead and stick this into a 425-degree oven. Alright guys, so here they are. And this is what we're going to have tonight. We're just going to throw it into some flour tortillas. and with maybe with some cheese, and that's it. And this is what we're gonna have for dinner tonight. Super easy to make. Literally takes you about 30 minutes prep and cook time.